Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the audio language within the AFK Journey game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the AFK Journey game on your device. And once you open up the game and start your journey, if you wish to change the language of the audio within the game, then simply tap on the menu icon at the bottom right corner. From here, click on the gear icon and now you will see the voiceover menu. Click on the drop down button and you will see the various different languages that are available for the voiceover audio language. After choosing your desired language, it will be changed within the game right away, and now you will be able to hear this language for the voiceover in-game audio. And you can change this setting at any point of time in the future if you wish to do so. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change the audio language on the AFK Journey game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.